taxes are approaching. Ha! 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 Yes. Tax season, here we come. As we all know, tax season is approaching. But what I want to talk about is how people try to make people feel bad for enjoying their tax money. Someone buys a new car come February, March, or April. Oh, that was income tax money. Someone buys jewelry. Oh, that was income tax money. Somebody is just enjoying their best life. Oh, that's income tax money. Y'all some fucking weirdos. How y'all trying to make people feel bad for enjoying their income tax money? They bust their ass all year at their job. And now, when it's income tax refund time, y'all looking at them like they crazy for enjoying their money. First of all, the amount of taxes people get taken out their paychecks, we don't even get it back when it comes to income tax time. So why when you see people enjoying their money, you want to sit there like, oh, that's income tax money? Who fucking cares? Who cares? Why are you watching what the next person is doing with their income tax money? That's so weird to me. Let me tell you something. If you see me out on vacation for 7 days, 6 nights, all inclusive in another country, yes, that's my income tax money. I don't give a fuck if it ain't. Yes, it's my income tax money, because you want to know why? It's none of your business what I do with my money. Mind the business that pays you. But anyway, thank you for watching, guys. And if you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Oh, also, don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. What? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Until next time. Mwah. Mwah. I missed that. Mwah. Bye.